How to set up nicknames on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you guys a step-by-step guide on how to set up nicknames on your Instagram chats. Now let's begin. You want to go ahead and start off by opening up Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to find the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and you want to head over to your chats first. So basically tap on the menu for your messages at the top right. Then from here you want to go to the chat where you want to set up a nickname. Tap on the chat and then tap on the person's profile. Then under here you can find something called nicknames. Tap on it and then tap on the person here to set up their nickname. So I'll just go ahead and tap on here to write the name. Now just go ahead and tap on done. Now it will be visible as the nickname that you've just set up. You can do this on group chats as well. So let me just quickly head over to this group, tap on the profile of the group, and then tap on nicknames. And you can set nickname for any person you want right over here. So you can just go ahead and write nickname, tap on done, and you're good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.